go. Good morning, sir. So, I belong to Group 5, which is our topic is all about Chapter 6 within title of Codes. So, my leader assigned me that I will be the one to discuss encoding and decoding. So now, let me present to you my topic. So, first, we have the table of contents. So, number one, what is coding and decoding. So I will be discussing now what is coding and decoding. Second, types of coding and decoding. Number three, miscellaneous examples for coding, decoding, and last, conclusions. Next. So what is coding and decoding? So first I will be discuss coding. So coding is a process used to encrypt a word, a number in a particular code or pattern based on some sets of rules. Hence, coding is the process of sending data from one person to another person in such a way that only the sender and receiver can understand the meaning without letting anyone else know the meaning of it. So that's coding. So now, what is decoding? So decoding is a process to decrypt. Unlike coding is to encrypt and decoding is to decrypt the pattern into its original form from the given codes. So coding and decoding, no? It is a system of signals to transmit the information in the form of signals or code without being known to a third party. So next. So now we have the figure of coding decoding concept, no? So the decoding concept can work in our real life. So just like what the picture for example, no, if you notice that your kid can learn their letter sounds in kindergarten, it means what sound to make when when the letter is written on the board. So the kid process to identify the constant vowel words which help to read loudly, such as cat, dogs, or sun. So kids will move to learn decoding words with constant clusters such as ST, TR, CR, SK. So kids will learn to identify the words easily, and kids use phonics to words and phoneme to words easily. So next. So we have the types of coding and decoding. We have three types. First, we have the letter coding. Second, number or symbol coding. The third is substitution coding. So next. So what is the definition of letter coding? So uh, letter coding decoding in which the letter of word is replaced by certain other letters according to specific patterns or rules to form a code. So there is example for coding decoding, no? Detect. So first we have the question: if brown is written as ZBMUL, then violet is coded as A TGMJC, B SGMJCQ, C TGMJCQ, then letter D TGWCQ. So next. So we have the pictures now, which is AN. As you can see the pictures. Uh, so in these questions, now the alphabet is replaced with another alphabet with some directions. So the first letter B, as you can see, the first letter B is coded as Z, means that it moves backward with letter. No, with one letter. Similarly, R is coded as P. So O is coded as N. So W is coded as U. And N is coded as L. So violet is coded as T, G, M, J, R, C. So our answer is letter A. So balik na to. So the answer is letter A, T, G, M, G, R, C, Y. So next. Okay, next pa. So Uh, in the second types of coding decoding, we have the number or symbol coding. So what is the definition of number symbol coding? So number coding decoding, in which either the numerical code values are assigned to a word or alphabetical code letters are assigned to the numbers. So the question is, if chair is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, rent is written as 5, 6, 7, 8, and then rare is written as A, 5, 6, 3, 5, B, 5, 3, 5, 6, C, 5, 3, 6, 5, D, 5, 6, 5, 3. So we have next. So we have the pictures. So as you can see, in this question, each alphabet is coded as a number. So that chair is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and rent is coded as 5, 6, 7, 8, and the rare is coded as 5, 6, 3, 5. So our answer is letter A. Rare is coded as 5635. So next. So third in the third types of coding decoding, we have the substitution coding. So what is substitution coding? So substitution coding decoding, in which some particular words are assigned with certain substitute names. So question. So So example for substitution coding decoding, no? If a dog is called cat, cat is called lion, then lion is called rat, then which of these lives in a forest? So so the answer is letter A. So why letter A? So since in this question, lion lives in the forest, but lion is called a rat. So rat live in the forest. So forest is the answer. So next, we have the miscellaneous examples for coding and decoding. So we have the question 1 now. Question 1. If the desk is called chair, chair is called blackboard, so blackboard is called duster, duster is called chalk, and then where do you sit in the classroom? So in this question, we clearly know that in the classroom we sit on the chair. Yes, and as the chair is called blackboard, so the answer is letter A. Answer is blackboard. So next, we have the question number 2. In question number 2, if a cake is called egg, if egg is called coffee, coffee is called tea, then which is white in color? So in this question, egg is of white color. Of course, egg is white color, no? But egg is called coffee, so coffee is the answer. Letter C. Coffee is white in color from the above statement. So we have the question number 3. So question number 3, if January is called March, March is called April, and April is called May, then which of the following months will have only 30 days? So January, March, and May have 31 days, and April has 30 days. But April is called May. So the answer is letter D, May. May will have 30 days from the above problem statement. So we have now in question number 4. So if neck is written as 1 to 3%, lock is written as plus, kasi itawagan ng A at 3%, and like is written as plus divide percent 2, then nice is written as, so neck is written as 1 to 3%, lock is written as plus at 3%, and like is written as plus divide percent 2, then nice. So n is coded as 1, and 1 is coded as divide, and C is coded as 3, and E is coded as 2. So answer is 1 divide 32. So answer is letter B. Nice is written as 1 divide 32. So now let's go to the question number 5. So if medico is written as PBGFFL, then doctor is coded as, so the letter medico is coded as PBGFFL, and the letter M is moved forward by 2 letters and is coded as PE. Is moved backward by 2 letters and is coded as BD. Is moved forward by 2 letters and is coded as G. I is moved backward by 2 letters and is coded as FC. Is moved forward by 2 letters and is coded as FO. Is moved backward by 2 letters and is coded as L. So doctor is coded as GLFQRO. So our answer is letter A, since doctor is coded as GLFQRO. So now let's go to the question number 6. So if triangle means the square, 2 square means 2 circle means 2 triangle means, then which has exactly infinite lines of symmetry? So when we say infinite, continuous, so the circle has infinite lines of symmetry, but circle means rectangle, so the answer is rectangle. Our answer there is rectangle. So now let's go to our conclusion. So our conclusion is coding and decoding covers all aspects of learning, focuses on improving children's logical reasoning skills and children's ability to identify individual sounds that make up words. Coding decoding helps the children to improve their fluency, vocabulary, comprehension, and phonemic words. So coding decoding helps to learn about how communication happens, types of codings, decoding, learn to match the pattern with numbers, symbols, and letters. Coding decoding is the reasoning booster to improve reading skills and comprehension. So thank you for watching that. That's the end of my topic. Okay na. Nakaanda ito. Nasa na ito. Dan ada. Bulala mga dito.